Hello, my dear Wolff Blitz friends. Welcome to Casa Wolff Blitz. My dear Wolff Blitz friends, you are here at my house. For the past 2 years, I have been so busy redesigning and redecorating and doing interior design projects for my friends, for my Wolff Blitz friends. Because, as you all know, I don't have customers, I only have friends. And in the meanwhile, I haven't done anything to my house. I haven't changed anything. This used to be Wolff Blitz interior showroom. My dear colleague Guido will put some pictures how it looked while it was a showroom. But of course, we got one in a lifetime chance with the Wolff Blitz gallery location. So we decided very quick and we moved our interior showroom to our gallery. And this space became empty. And because I was so busy, I didn't have time to redecorate this space. Well, I want to take you on this journey with me. You and I will decorate this location, this house, together. If you have any ideas about the colors which I have to put on the walls, please comment below or send me a DM. What we need to do with the floor, what we need to do with furniture, every idea is welcome. Of course, I have also my own ideas. And you know what Wolff Blitz is all about? Wolff Blitz is all about your passion. And in this case, it's also my passion, which is art and music. So, again, you will see a lot of art in my living room, and you will see also a lot of music. Because seeing my passion back in interior makes me happy. I don't want gray, beige interior like all the magazines dictate. I want to design complete new furniture pieces. I don't want to use the old classics like everyone has. You and I will design together a beautiful Wolff Blitz casa because this house deserves it. This house survived the Second World War. It was built in 1890. It has a very old what do we name it, Guido? We could have looked it up. Open heart. It's the original open heart. And please comment below what open heart in English is. Of course, once we are finished filming, and I don't like cutting into films, so we will look it up, and in the meanwhile, you can also write it below. My dear Wolff Blitz friends, of course, we will keep this. We will keep the beautiful original ceiling of the building. But we will have a new working space. This desk I made during COVID, because during COVID I was more at home, so I made this one to work from home. And at that time, during, of course, COVID, we felt a little bit down, so I made a complete black desk. After we moved the showroom, I got back my student sofa. I bought this sofa when I was a student. I was sharing an apartment with my fellow student, and he took the 3 seats, I took the 2-seater, and I still have it, but it's time for this sofa to go. And if you're interested in the sofa, I'm giving it away, so it's still in a very good state. So if you want it, just send me a message or call me at Wolff Blitz Gallery. What I also will do in this house is I am already painting. I'm using it as my atelier. So it still has to be useful as an atelier, because sometimes I do painting here. And my dear Wolff Blitz friends, what will also stay here is this painting of Picasso. I bought it at the flea market, and like everyone who buys a painting at the flea market, hope that the painting he bought at the flea market is the original one. So if you want to see the original Picasso painting, come to my house and you will see it, because the ones in the museums are fake. Of course, that's a joke, that's a dream of mine, but this one will also stay here. I cannot eat a lot of at home because I'm very busy. So, but in this house I will have also a decent dining spot. So it's 90 square meters. So we will also have a beautiful dining area. We will design together a dining table. My dear Wolff Blitz friends, this is going to be a fun project. You and I will go through this together. I am open to any of your ideas and your suggestions, and there is a big possibility that I will implement also some of your ideas. Because Wolff Blitz is all about passion. We always do it together, and that is also for my house. You take the ideas which I give you for your space, and I will do with some of your ideas to my home. My dear Wolff Blitz friends, join me on this journey, and let's make Wolff Blitz Casa an inspiration for all interior design projects. Thank you. Bye bye. Tot ziens.